Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Actually, today is Tuesday, and yesterday, guys, I was not available. Unfortunately, I did not even send the daily analysis. So, but it's fine. And guys, we are very closer to 5,000 actually subscribers or 5k subscribers. So if you know that you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So yeah, without wasting enough time, let's try to see what we have. I have something actually for you guys. Let's check that very quick. We have this. Obviously, this you already know. These are the services that I offer: 12-month signals, 165, and the Prime Robot, which we already have two updates coming actually. This week, or starting from tomorrow, we'll be trying to do some tests and something like that. So everyone who purchased the robot is still going to get those updates for free. So another one here is this one. Is this for those people who actually have the account? Like, if you have like $350, but you need to grow that. Maybe you don't know how to grow, and maybe you've been trading, but you're struggling with that. So yes, I can actually try to trade for you. I can actually trade for you a maximum of 30 days. The minimum target actually it's $2,000. As you can see on the screen, there is no split. No, you don't actually have to send me your profits. So the upfront fee, but for me to do that, obviously it has to be $250, as you just going to enjoy your profits. Then from there, if you want us to continue, then we will discuss about that, because that will be a different fee also, because we can just make thousands and only charge $250 only, you see. So but if you want that, just let me know, just WhatsApp me. This is going to be a very limited number, obviously, so that I can able to manage those accounts. So if you're not interested, it's also fine, but don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So let's go actually straight to the market. Let's go straight to the market. So yeah, as you know, whoa, what happened? What happened? I think this is good. What happened? I think the market actually, it's been actually, whoa. Obviously, there was some sort of news. I did not see that, by the way, but I can see that yes, the market is actually doing what? The market sold off very aggressively. Then yeah, this was like seriously aggressive. Then the market actually reached an area where we call the support, and it seems like the market wants to do what? To push to the upside. But when you trade the news, you understand that you don't really have to jump straight to the market. But on a 4 hours time frame, or let me just show you this on a daily time frame, just because that is actually on a zone that we call a support. This is GBPJPY. For those who trade GBPJPY, you can see this area has been very persistent. You can see where the market touched. There is a chance for the market to break that also, but for now, we are seeing that the market is actually respecting that area. I just want to make this video very quick, guys. We have an issue of load shedding, you see. So yeah, I think the news were seriously aggressive. I think maybe the market can continue like that, but if things are bad, unfortunately I did not check the news, if things are seriously in favor of JPY, it means that there is a chance for the market to break that and continue. This reversal might be like very small, so you don't really have to jump on the market without seriously understanding, right? So let's push to the next one, which is GBPUSD. Oh, I think the news were on JPY, because now I see GBPUSD. There is nothing here. There's nothing like a crazy move. So yeah, which is fine. So what's really happening? You can easily see that the market is actually doing what? The market is actually uptrending. The market is pushing to the upside. The market is pushing to the upside, and we can easily see that actually our job is to identify areas where we can do what, where we can buy. Like where we are now, you can see that the market is actually on a support area, which means if we turn this, if we change the time frame here, we can have a very nice buy pending order. And you can see that is actually very good. I think I'll have to send that after this analysis. So I'm expecting the market to do what? I'm expecting the market to push the upside. We have an area where the market is respecting. Yes, on top there we see a sort of a resistance, which means actually that will be our first take profit. If the market breaks, then we will continue buying. But if not, it means the market can still push lower. Yes, there's also a chance actually for the market to do it, to break that support. But if it breaks, we're not going to jump. We also have the second one here. Then the market has to break that retest before we jump on a sell. Do you see that? So yeah, I'm trying to be as fast as possible so that we can actually see what's really happening on all these things. So what's really happening here is we are on Euro USD. We are on Euro USD. What's really happening? The market is actually nicely pushing to the upside. You can see the market is actually doing what? It's actually uptrending. The market is uptrending, but around this area, I see that the market was struggling to give us some very nice moves. Remember, it's that first week of I think we are very close to Christmas, so some traders actually they are not going to be active. So if maybe you choose the wrong pair, sometimes the market will just consolidate. But where we are now on Euro USD, I think the market actually is on our support area, and I'm expecting the market to do what? To push to the upside. Yes, there is a chance for the market to break that, and we can say if it breaks this support area, we can then say it's time for us to sell. But I think the market is on a support area. It's been pushing up. If you missed my previous analysis, go back, check there, and you will understand this is just a continuation actually. We just continuing with the previous analysis. So let's push to the next one, which, oh yeah, you see what's really happening. Do you see this? So, okay, it's fine. So what's really happening? I think, I don't know if I sent that signal. I think I did. So what's really happening here is, yes, we can easily see that we are on a downtrend. Very nice downtrend. When we draw everything, it makes sense. So yesterday, obviously, I think, no, it's today or something. Yeah, early today. So I mean, I'm talking about this move. I think it happened early today. So what happened is, we see that the market was actually on a resistance, and we also have a diagonal resistance. So if I can try to zoom that closer, maybe you will understand what I'm trying to say. I think the market was yesterday, I think the market was around this zone when I sent the sell, but the market did not really move that much. We had a small profit, but now if maybe they were still holding, you can see that the market actually pushed and touched the take profit, which is very great. And that's why we say, if you seriously want those signals, yes, you can find them here. You can find them here. You can just WhatsApp me. 1 or 2 signals, you can make something. That's seriously great. So yeah, this is great because we see that the market is respecting what? Our downtrend and also our resistance, which means, yes, we were not wrong when we say we're only going to look for sell positions, and that is happening. So yeah, let's push to the next one. I forgot to change. I'm sorry. I forgot to change. So yeah, when we say we were not wrong when we say the market is on a downtrend. As you can see, the market is been respecting the trend, and even today or yesterday, you can see that the market is struggling to break that. And at the end of the day, the market pushed the market to the lower side. Yes, sometimes the news mostly correspond or will follow the structure. That's called technical analysis. And we also do that. So it means most of the time, whether there's news, whether there's nothing, most of the time, you're going to be on the right side of the market, even if you were not aware of the news. I hope you understand that. So, yes, let's push to the next one, which is gold. Gold. What's really happening on gold? We can easily see that the market is actually on an uptrend. We expecting the market to push up. I missed this. We were supposed to have a small buy or a hit and run. So what's really happening is the market is actually on an uptrend. So we're expecting the market to do what? To push the upside, which means whatever that happens here, we're just looking for what? For buy positions. So now if maybe we miss the market around this area, it means we're gonna wait actually for the market. We're gonna wait for the market actually to enter above that area. I hope you see that. We're going to wait for the market to do what? To break our resistance before we can have a buy, another buy above that area. Or maybe the market will come back again around this area before we can say we can buy. Why are we looking for buy positions only? We are on an uptrend and the market is showing us that I'm pushing higher and higher. So that helps us that most of the time, even if maybe we are wrong or maybe we did not enter at the right place, most of the time the market will come back in our favor because the market is mostly pushing to the upside, actually in our direction or in our favor. So I hope you understand that. So US oil, what's really happening on US oil? We can easily see that the market is actually on a downtrend. Very nice downtrend. You can easily see that the market is pushing lower and lower. Sometimes the market can be slow, it's fine, but as long as we understand the trend that we are looking for those sell positions, which means we just have to look for structures where we supposed to do what? Where we supposed to sell. And now the structure that we have is this one, is this downtrending resistance. Do you see this? So the market, once the market touches this area, we see the market doing what? We see the market selling. Like now, actually, you can easily see that if maybe the market wants to actually seriously wants to push the lower side, we have a sell pending order here. So if maybe we sell the sell pending order, we make sure that the stop loss is not going to go crazy. But at the same time, we make sure that it's not that really close. So make sure that you balance your stop losses, because I can send according to the structure, but you find that maybe it's close. Adjust that actually. So yeah, this is what I see. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To push to the lower side. I'm expecting the market to push lower. Yes, there's a chance for the market to break that, but we will see that. So, but for now, since we are on a downtrend, we're going to talk about that downtrend. Smash that subscribe, guys. Only 12 people left for us to reach that 5K. I seriously appreciate this, guys. I seriously appreciate this. That's why at the end of the day, if maybe you have something, in your account, I can manage that for you for 250, and maybe we can reach 2,000, whatever the amount that we're going to reach. So for 30 days only, I think maybe it's going to be around mid-January there, because now I think the trading is going to be very slow, but it's fine. We'll see what we can do. Plus, I just want to be busy. I don't want to go around drinking, whatever, you see. So yeah, let's go on our chart. Let's go on our chart. What's really happening? What's really happening on US30? The market is actually struggling. We see that the market was trying actually to push the upside. Before, yes, we see that the market was pushing down, but the market tried its best to push towards this stronger resistance, this strong wall. Then guess what? The market broke out there, punched that wall, and now we saw the market trying to actually push the upside. And if you check here, actually, you can easily see that the market was actually consolidating. The market is actually consolidating, which means the market was actually thinking, deciding which direction can we take. And then the market decided to do it, to say, no, I'm not going to the upside. Yes, I tried to break this area, trying to say I need to push the upside, but the market struggled. Now the market is doing what? It's selling. Now we broke out of that support. We currently have a sell stop there, but the market was like just playing games with us. It's fine. We're still going to hold this. I think the market can still push lower and lower. So on US30, we're still looking for a sell position. I think the market can still push lower and lower, but just know that the market won't just crash very quick. So the market can play games. At the end of the day, when you check the market, you'll find that the market is already lower. So what's really happening on NASDAQ? What's really happening on NASDAQ? We can easily see that the market is doing what? The market is actually on a very nice, straightforward downtrend. Actually, all this year, the market was just pushing to the lower side. Yes, we had some nice push, but the overall move is what? Is the down trending. The market was down trending, and maybe the market can continue doing that, or maybe the market wants to come back around 10,400, 10,500 there, maybe for a retest before maybe we see another push. But we can't just say that. We will just wait for the market to do that. We will wait for the market to show us. We have to wait for the market to show us that. And then now we have something like this. You can see now the structure is like this. We had a sell, very nice, smaller profits. But I'm expecting the market to reach 10,600 there. It means now actually it's during the day, but before the market, after the market open, we might see another sell around this area. I think we might find a nice support, as we did even before. We had this area pushed up, this area pushed up. Maybe this might be the next area to push up again. If it breaks, yeah, that will be something else. That will be some seriously aggressive sell-off, but we're not supposed to miss that. We're now supposed to meet that. We have to repeat that. We're not supposed to meet that. We will be checking actually what's really happening. So as I have to repeat this, for those who wants to grow their account, there it is. You will just WhatsApp me and Telegram, please, guys. And don't forget to subscribe. We left with only 12 people, and now we reached that 5,000. So maybe next year we'll be trying to reach 5K or something like that. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo. Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I hope you will subscribe. So thank you. We'll see you next time, actually tomorrow. Bye.